Hi guys, definitely Mario here. Today we want to finish our thermometer with the temperature zone. So let us go to Unreal Engine. We are here now. In the last video we finished our display with the temperature and we got the mode on Celsius. So the new thing we want to make is our zone, but this will be not BP. This will not only temperature, we will name it BP Room Info. And in the room info, we want to hold the temperature zone with him. So we make Boolean call, and we won't call it temperature heating. So if this Boolean is true, we want to heat the room up. If this Boolean is false, we want to cool down the temperature. So we need a connection to our Fusebox. We need that as actor, object reference, instant editable, and expose and spawn. And we need a current temperature as a float, and we want to get a temperature step. The temperature step means how much the temperature will be heat up or cool down in the next step. So we need a function. We call that proceed temperature calculation. Here we make it simple. We get the current temperature, and we want to get the current temperature and add the temperature step, and this will be the new temperature. It's simple and easy. So every step, you get the current temperature and add up the temperature step here. So we need a new function and call that calculate temp step, so we can you have not to write all out. We can use proceed temp calc, and here we can say calc temp step. So there we need something. Let us make it not too complicated at this step. We could make some variables in it. We could check, have the room windows, is the door open, is there any oven or something else? Is a fridge in it? And so we can make take all the things and calculate a very complex step in it, or we make a simple one and say we want only to edit something or degree, also heating something or cooling something on a fixed variable. So let us make it, we will call that we call it simple step. So we want maybe to change it from room to room, so we expose it. So now we need to know if, oh no, not so, press B, left mouse key. We make this. We check, is the room is heating or is the room is cooling? So when the room is cooling, we want to decrease this number, so subtract a step from it. It's pretty simple. So, and then we want to set it. And oh no, this copy this, because we had to use it here. Put it there, and here we have to put this. If true, when we're heating, when we want to add the step. If false, when we're cooling the room, so we want to subtract this step from the temperature step. So with these two functions in the room info, we could handle temperatures. So we want go to the event graph. We want we make it to do it every tick? Yeah, we couldn't make it. But if we make it, we have to. And so first of all, we need here a custom event as our temp. No, that's not right. We can rename it into multi-temp. This will be a multicast. Here we need first call temp step, second proceed scan. So, and this logic we want to have in our BP player person character. Sorry, I name it often wrong. So here we have to add now our, let us make this thing invisible. And now let's get thermometer here, and not there. There, yeah. Viewport. Yeah, it's kind of big. Too big, maybe. So this is, I think, much better. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Let us short look how it looked. Yeah, yeah. It's okay. But now we got the same problem like always. We have to delete the collision. No collision. And we want here no collision, because if we not do that, we cannot move. Right? So now we can move. It's not the it's not beauty, because we will make it in another video to adjust the items right. That's not part of this video. So now we got this. Here is the room info. Here we need now an collision. Taking back a box collision. And for that box collision, we need some begin overlap. And we need some end overlap. Yeah. Begin and end overlap we need here. And if we're in here, what? Yeah. It's pretty easy. We want to add current room here. We make it of type BP RoomInfo. So we have a connection here. And here we say cast to BP person character. And here we set current room. We want not get it, we want to set it. And the current room will be safe. Self. So we tell him your current room is this room info and where we are in. So here we set the current room on null back, because we leave the room and we are not in a new room. So it's simple. Simple as that. So now we know in which room we are. We want to use our tick function maybe. Let us see here. Here we got our tick function. To current room is valid. The wrong is valid. The right is valid. We see if the current room is valid, this means it's not null. So when the current room is valid, we want to use the RPC. So we want to create a custom function. We name it SR Temp. Here we tell him to run on server, and it's fire too often. We not want it reliable, but it's okay. We go on current room. No, we not go on current room. We go on Thermometer, and there we go on get actor, and that we want to pass to BP thermometer. If we did it, we want to activate our. Oh, I not get it. No. Okay, I understand. We have to do it here. No, I know. Okay, before we did these things here, we have to get our current room, and we want to get here, get actor. Oh no, we don't need get actor. Here we want to multi temp. Here we tell our temp zone to make a new temperature. And there we put there, we put this here, connect them. Here we want to set current temperature. And we want to set it on current room. Get current temperature. Okay, I have here a misspelling, I think. Yeah. Current temp, we will call it. It's more good enough. And we want here to use it. Now maybe we put it here so we can put it more there. Okay. From the player direction, we fire first this. Then we update all temp zones over all the clients. And then we tell the thermometer on each client, because each client will use it to display the new temperature. So for the room info, we could take this expose to, because we want to set it. So let us take our room info here, make it a little bigger, and make expanded to 50. Yeah. It's huge. Like here too, maybe. And let's make on the green axis 10. Yeah, it's nearly the room. Let's move it a little. Yeah. We could let it here, but let's make this 5, 8. Yeah. This maybe covers the whole room. And now we have to set first the Fusebox. Second, the steps. We want to add 0.02, or better, we want let us say 0. Yeah. And the current is not there because we would not press on this. Right. The current temperature is 15. So we got all of this. Yeah. Yeah, let's press play and go into the room and let us see what happens. Yeah, the temperature zone will be the problem. I'm pretty sure of it. Maybe yeah. We put it here a little bit in the corner and press play to test it. Okay, now we're here, but we measure nothing. Did we? No, we did not. Yeah, we did not measure anything. So, short moment, I not want to waste your time. Okay, I find our mistake. We have put the calculation here. In event begin play is not wrong, but so we can trigger it when we need it. So here we want to make the how we call it a temp tick. The temp tick needs all of that, and they need it here. First of all, we need an input param and then name that current temp. It's of type float. And we have to determine in which mode we are. So let us short make an boolean, call that mode, or mode cells. For Celsius, is that true? We go the Celsius way. Is that wrong? We go the Fahrenheit way. But we need that only on mode change. So let us go here. For now, we only need this at here. For the tick, we only need that. And because we set the current temperature, we could do this and this. Yeah, and here we don't need it anymore. So we have to trigger this function, temp tick. We will do it here. Set the current temperature, and after that, temp from the thermometer from here, temp here. So now I'm a little bit confused. Okay, I know. So now I'm again confused. Tick is here. This function we need here. It's on BB thermometer. So from here. Short moment, please. Yeah, I have misspelled me here. I make Timo tick, not Temp tick, so I can't find it under Temp tick. It makes totally sense. So now here and here, after we set the current temperature of the thermometer, we do our temp tick. Okay, so far so good. One moment. Okay, I find the first error is here in our tick function. We have to use a sequence because this is a door mechanic and we couldn't use our block after that because this cast will fail if we have not a current interact actor. So we never reach here. So we have to make one here, and if that fail or goes right, whatever, it go to the when one block and execute this. Second thing we have to do is to text, we have to make our maximum integral digits to 3 and on the maximal fractional digits to 1 because we want a temperature 15.7 or 21.8 and so on and so on. But we have to go at maximal integral digits to 3 because we want to show Fahrenheit. And Fahrenheit can go over 100, so we have to take 3. So after that, you can collapse it. And now we have to bring here a little, let us say timer. Timer will be an integer. This integer will be something around 1000. And this will here get timer minus minus. And we want to decrease this by, so here we got and branch. Here we set the timer back to 1000. Yeah. And our if here is if it's 0, we want to go through that, and we want to subtract 1 every tick. So here we could maybe, yeah, maybe 1000 was a little bit too high, like you see here. We wait now a long time for that to process. Yeah. Okay. Let it bring it down to 250. Here, 250. And then we want to try it again. Well, it seems not to work anymore. If I make it right, 250, 1250. Yeah, it should work. Let us get us the timer. To edit false, we want to print the timer. So we can see what it makes. Yeah, it goes down like it has to. So you see it's very, very low. We go here. And it's loud too, and it's my stupidity, because we have to check less equal. I'm a dummy dump. Because we go under, we reach the first room massively under 0. So now we got it. We go null. We go null, but that takes too much time. No one want to wait that long. So let us go to 24 and set it here back to 24. This we not need anymore. So now we want to let temperature rise a little bit faster. Oh yeah. You can see the temperature is freezing more and more. For a real game, we have to adjust the tick timer. So that goes too fast, you see it, but it worked, at least. So yeah, we finished our thermometer at this point. I hope you liked the video, I hope you learned something, and bye, see you.